Mommy.
Who's making fun of you?
She said Mickey Mouse is in front of her.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Hey, little party there?
Wake up, honey. Open your eyes. Keep your eyes open. Deep breath. Breathe through your nose. Deep breath. That's it. Good girl. Do it again. What? Say what?
I think she said it's the time to go.
Are you sleepy? You're wide awake? Breakfast? No, I don't think so. Ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, maybe later. You want ice cream? Coffee ice cream?
Yeah.
Coffee ice cream? You want a spaceship? You're shaking. Yes. Looks like something on a rose.
Cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
It's cold. Yes, it's cold. It's ice.
I'm shaking.
It's cold because you're shaking?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I want to do this. Mommy. I don't know how to do this. What? It's gauze.
It must taste like poop.
Ew. Hello.
Okay,
All
everything
this.
went great. You did fine.
Did good, huh?
Did good. Did real good. Did real fine.
So how many was actually impacted? One?
No, 3 of them were.
3 were actually impacted?
And one was soft tissue infection.
Ah.
She did well. So shaking, shivering is very common.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, honey, we'll let you wake up. Good luck.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's the 3rd one.
I know. Bye, sweetie. All right? No more, right?
Probably when she
Let me
gets
see.
older.
How old are you?
10.
Yeah, I'll still, God willing, I'll still be here.
8 years.
I'll be here, God willing.
I'm sure because she takes right after them.
You're at the doctor's.
Take care now. Yeah. You want to go to the beach? Not today. I don't think so. No, you're going to have to open your eyes, though, for me, okay? Come on, open those eyes. There they are. Where's the big brown eyes? Come on.